Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Team Winter YouTube channel. I am Matthew Winter. This is the new car next to me, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of work on it. So yeah, we're going to be finishing up the brand new fuel cell, putting in this car. We are grabbing some flat stock and we are going to be bolting it in. So, you know, we're gonna get started on that and kind of just do that. Logan's on his way down here. We're gonna be doing a little bit of work with Logan, so he's gonna help us out, hang out with us, and do that. Got the left front pretty much not situated. I don't have the shocks or anything on it, but got the hub and all that stuff on, brake caliper, all that. I'm not going to show you. I can't show you, sorry. Got the seat mounted, not mounted all the way, just the bottom. The back is not mounted. Got the wheel in, everything all bolted up. Just got to finish up doing all the welds and stuff. And I cut myself. So yeah, got some new parts in today. Got a new shifter. It's not new, I bought it off of someone. I got a good deal on it, so I took it and I was like, hey, why not? You know, it's blue, it's gonna match the colors. Just cleaning it up. It's off a dirt car, so you had to clean it up a little bit, get it all situated. It was all dirty, but you know, I got some fuel fittings. Gonna get those on, all situated, and you know, me and Logan are gonna start doing this. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse and figure this out. What?
Bubble wax.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, like I said, get popping. Come on. Popping.
Hey, go up to my room and see if you can find a shirt for me. Okay. So the last clip would have been me making these little tabs. I'm making these, so they're gonna bolt into here. So because I don't want to drill through the fuel cell, so I'm gonna bolt them in here, and then two pieces of this flat stock is gonna go across. That's gonna bolt in over there, bolt into here, bolt down also here. So for some reason it didn't record. I hit the record button, the red light was going, then I stopped the recording and I don't know, it didn't record. So anyways, I'm gonna put it back on time lapse. The next task is to cut these to the right size and then put them across the fuel cell like so, like this and like that. That's the way our fuel cell is held in this car, and also it's required by the rules of the tracks we race at. Man, my mouth hurts. So yeah, I'm putting it on time lapse. So we're gonna get those all measured up, cut up, and then what we gotta do is take out the fuel cell, get those bolted in, put the holes for this to go into, and then we should be golden. And that'll be the fuel cell done, mounted. We'll just have to run our fuel lines there, and then get the motor in, and blah 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 blah. So all that done, and then we'll see where we get to. Okay, see you then. Alright guys, what's up? It's been a couple days since I have since I have filmed this part of the video. I finally got the hardware to finish the fuel cell. So we're going to finish, we're going to put these brackets that we made, or I made on here, and then we're going to put everything both together in this video. And then I showed you these at the beginning of the video. Me and Dad last night made this for the shifters, because if you guys remember, there was a big hole here last time, and those will go in like that. So then we will see what it looks like. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse, because I don't think you guys want to hear me talk the whole time while I'm doing this, or silence. So I'll see you guys when we are done. I'll show you guys what it looks like, and we'll start working on this. Alright, so fuel cell is in. I did have a couple of fitment issues. I stopped recording because I couldn't get the right side to fit like the left side, but I finally got it figured out, and this is the finished product. So got both bars in, tight, fitting good. Fuel cell's all the way in. So yeah, first time doing that, so I think it turned out good. So now we are on, now we move on to the shifters. So basically, we're gonna do, oh, by the way, seat is fully in now. So that is done finally. Basically what we're gonna have to do, well, there you go. It's hard to do with one hand, but then put bolts in all 4 of these holes, and those will be in. So I will talk for some of that, and then I will time lapse the other half of it, because I do got some stuff to not announce, but like talk about. So I'll see you guys when we do that. Bye. Alright guys, you won't be able to see my face in this clip, but this is really the only place I can put the camera, so that's what I'm gonna do. So we got the shifters in, I got all the nuts and bolts. I'm gonna try not to lose them, because that sucks. Okay, maybe we didn't drill the holes big enough either. That sucks. Okay, well, I guess I'm going to go get a drill and drill the holes out a little bit more, because I didn't drill them out enough, I guess so. So, put this out real quick, and I'll go get a drill. Okay. Try now. No. Close. watch road. Bang. Bang. Ba-na-na. Boom. Look at that. Alright, so shifter's in. I gotta get underneath the car, so bolt it in. Hopefully I can do it before I gotta go to work. Because that would be nice. Because then I gotta go to work soon. So. Alright, that's in. Ugh. Oopsies. Hit the camera. By the way, guys, if you guys want to see anything on our YouTube channel that we don't show already, just let us know in the comment section down below. Me and Dad aren't gonna deny any of you guys' suggestions. We're always up to showing you guys what you want to see. So if you got anything you want to see, let us know. So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse while I do this because this is gonna be really annoying. And yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Alright guys, well the shifters are in kinda. I need to wait for Dad to get home or someone to help me. So someone can sit up here with an impact driver or a wrench or something and tighten them, and another one hold a wrench down below. So I'm gonna need 2 people to do that. So I'm gonna close out the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just me in the shop. Had the day off school. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Just so you know, still looking for sponsors. We still have small, medium, and large left in the Team Winter shirts, so if you guys are interested in buying any, please let me know down below, or email us at teamwinter15, or our website's in the description. Thank you to all our sponsors. We're still looking for some for the 2022 season. So email us, comment on our video, message us on Facebook, whatever you'd like to do. I will see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and that's gonna be it. See ya.